All right, we got a good one tonight.
Dinner.
Right? That's a good, feels like a good 3-pounder right there.
It's a good one.
I don't think I'll be putting them on the stringer.
No.
All right.
Hey, I'm Rodney.
And I'm Cyndi.
And this is our dream of leaving the comforts of a mainstream lifestyle to live like pirates. Cyndi joined me as first mate, and we have been unstoppable ever since.
Rodney and I have set ourselves to a new adventure each week as we're learning the ropes of being a sailing couple.
Each season, there are plenty of things to do to get the boat ready and get out on the water.
When we're not working, we're creating food and drinks from the galley and searching for adventures around the docks with friends and locals.
Be sure to hit the subscribe button and join us on our way to more sailing and adventures as we sail into Nirvana.
All right, brothers and sisters. It's another episode of The Naked Chef. I mean the Speedo Chef. What we have here is jalapenos, cream cheese, and bacon. Now I know you say you always do that. No, this is gonna be stuffed catfish.
Well, those around them criticize and sleep. Through a fractal on a breaking wall, I see you, my friend, and touch your face again. Miracles will happen as we drift. But we're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive unless we are a little crazy. Yellow people walking through my head. One of them's got a gun to shoot the other one.
You gotta chop the onions and the garlic and the jalapenos like this.
Together they were friends at school. The fall were there when we first took the pill. Then be bad.
Yeah, get the Red Dragon spices. Get a half a block of cream cheese.
Happen as we speak. But we're never gonna survive unless we get a little crazy. No, we're never gonna survive unless we are a little.
And I'm gonna squirt some lemon in there. And I'm gonna mix it up with a fork. I'm gonna get ready to stuff these catfish.
We are a little. No, never survive unless we get a little bit.
I've spread out the cream cheese jalapeno mixture on the butterflied catfish fillet. I'm going to roll this up end to end. I'm going to start with the non-skin side so the skin ends up on the outside. So when I wrap it with bacon, it'll all crisp up in the air fryer.
In a sky full
there is a fish roll. Okay, we've got that rolled up, tied up. It's ready to rock. I'm going to spray that down with avocado oil. And that's ready for the air fryer. Alright, I'm going to cook that at 280 degrees for about 25 minutes. I'm going to check the internal temperature. I'm going to finish it off in 400 degrees for probably 15 minutes. Let's see how it works out. I've got the catfish rolls really dialed in here in the air fryer. Okay, yeah.
Yeah.
So we've got the fish. What is this like? This is damn near a roast. This catfish was so huge.
Yes.
I rolled. Okay, you saw it. I rolled them up, stuffed them, and so we paired this with a what is this? A dragonberry daiquiri.
Dragonberry daiquiri.
Okay.
Cheers.
Rum.
That's good.
That's a secret ingredient, by the way, in that
That's
I
good.
can't tell you right now, but
One day.
good daiquiri, right?
You can buy it when he sells it.
Oh, well, that's sugar free.
You can buy it when he sells
Guilt
it.
free. Okay, never mind. So this deal here, I got the monster cheese melted over the fish roll, the catfish, a little Mateo's salsa on it.
Yeah.
Right.
It's thick. Look at that.
Oh, it's way thick. It takes a minute for me to make these things.
Yeah.
I think it's well worth it. You know, we could go up to a Whataburger, but it won't be the same, right?
Agreed. I don't want Whataburger.
So, anyway,
Here we go.
right, we got a good day today. We had a little more rain this weekend, but we're getting things together. We're gonna eat this good food as per usual, and
Maybe next time we can power wash. We were gonna do it this weekend. It
Yeah.
rained, but
You
we
got
need the rain too. We need the rain
Yeah.
too. We need the levels of the lake.
you got some
Rise up.
stuff. I got some stuff last weekend. You got some
Yes.
stuff. So we're moving
Yeah.
forward.
Yeah.
We're doing it.
Out of order that we'd like to do it, but we're doing it.
Right. Well, we don't have anything to complain about because
No.
even though we had our open house
Last weekend, last year.
year ago,
Yeah.
we're a
year
little
ago
bit
last
behind, but we didn't have to get the dinghy out and row
Oh.
in to get to the boat.
That's a good point.
Right. We've been kind of spoiled this year.
I know, it flooded so bad last year, we had to park, half a mile up the road
Right.
and dinghy to the boat. You're right.
So
So I'm okay
it's
with
all
it.
good. We had a little storms come through. We weathered those out here on the boat. And, you know, we're going to eat this. And we appreciate you guys watching. And
Hit like and subscribe if you like watching these videos. Gets more of our videos out there, other people can see, and it's free.
yeah, go to YouTube and help support our channel by telling YouTube that you like us.
Yeah.
By giving us a thumbs up, will you? All right, sugar. Let's get this down the hatch.
Let's do it.
All right.